Is your Xfinity TV box stuck in a frustrating boot loop, endlessly cycling through startup screens or displaying a please stand by message? This common issue affects thousands of customers daily. A boot loop occurs when your TV box gets stuck, cycling through startup screens, unable to complete its initialization process. Boot loops typically stem from four main causes: software corruption from incomplete updates, hardware failures like failing hard drives or overheating components, poor signal connections, or network connectivity problems. The first solution to try is the power cycle method. This simple technique resolves many boot loop issues by completely resetting the device's power state. If power cycling doesn't work, use the Xfinity My Account app or website to initiate a system refresh. Navigate to Manage TV, then Troubleshoot, then System Refresh. This process takes 10 to 15 minutes and resolves 60 to 70% of boot loop issues. Finally, check all coaxial cable connections. Ensure they are hand-tight plus a quarter turn, and inspect for any damage or corrosion. Poor connections are a common cause of boot loops and signal issues. These three immediate solutions can resolve most boot loop issues. Try them in order: power cycle first, then system refresh, and finally check your connections. Most problems will be solved with these basic troubleshooting steps. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve your Xfinity TV box boot loop, a factory reset is the next advanced recovery technique. This process will completely restore your device to its original settings. Locate the reset button on your device. It's typically a small recessed button on the back panel of your Xfinity TV box. You'll need a paperclip or similar tool to press it. This factory reset has an 80% success rate for software-related boot loop issues. However, it will erase all your settings and require you to set up the device from scratch. If the factory reset doesn't resolve the issue, the problem may be related to signal strength and quality. Proper signal levels are crucial for stable operation of your Xfinity TV box. The ideal signal strength for your Xfinity TV box should be between -7 and +7 dBmV. This range ensures optimal performance and prevents boot loop issues caused by poor signal quality. Additionally, your signal-to-noise ratio should exceed 35 decibels. This measurement indicates how much stronger your signal is compared to background interference. To prevent future boot loops and extend the life of your Xfinity TV box, implementing proper preventive measures is essential. These strategies can significantly reduce the likelihood of hardware failures. First, ensure adequate ventilation around your devices. Keep at least 3 inches of clearance on all sides and avoid placing the box in enclosed cabinets where heat can build up. Use surge protectors to prevent power-related damage. Schedule monthly system refreshes through the Xfinity app, and monitor your signal quality every 3 months to catch issues early. Xfinity is implementing advanced technologies to reduce boot loop issues and improve overall system reliability. These innovations represent the future of cable TV technology. Cloud-based processing is migrating more functions away from local hardware, reducing dependencies on your physical TV box. This means fewer components that can fail and cause boot loops. Artificial intelligence now powers predictive diagnostics that can identify potential problems before they cause boot loops. Combined with remote diagnostic capabilities, these technologies are making Xfinity TV boxes more reliable than ever before.